Today I'm going to show you how to make the voiceover sound like it's crying in ElevenLabs, using emotional tags in a way that actually changes the delivery. This is a great trick if you want your narration to feel more human, more dramatic, or more emotionally expressive for storytelling, sad scenes, or cinematic content. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple AI voice tutorials, just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open ElevenLabs and go to the text-to-speech area where you normally paste your script. This is where the magic happens, because ElevenLabs can respond to formatting cues inside the text. Instead of just writing plain narration, you're going to guide the voice using bracketed emotional tags. The key thing to understand is that these tags are not just decoration, they are a signal to the model about how the line should feel. For example, if you want a sad, broken delivery, you can place tags like or, before, or even in the middle of a sentence. These help shape the tone so the voice sounds more emotional and less flat. Let's say your original line is just a plain sentence. You would normally type it out like standard text, but if you want the voice to sound like it's struggling to hold back tears, you can rewrite it with emotional direction. For example, you might start with a tag like, and then continue the sentence. You can also add, for softer delivery, or, to make the voice feel exhausted or overwhelmed. If you want even more emotion, try placing tags mid-sentence. This can create the effect of a voice cracking or breaking up emotionally. For example, a sentence can begin normally, then shift into trying, or as the feeling intensifies. The goal is to make the performance feel natural, not robotic. Small adjustments can make a big difference. Now, here's the best part. Experiment with different combinations. One version may sound too subtle, while another may feel too dramatic. Try mixing with or with her and listen to the results. If the voice sounds too intense, reduce the number of tags. If it sounds too flat, add more emotional direction. This is all about testing and refining until you get the exact mood you want. Another helpful tip is to keep the actual wording supportive of the emotion. If the script itself is already sad, reflective, or personal, the emotional tags will work even better. The AI voice tends to perform more convincingly when the text matches the mood you're trying to create. So don't just rely on tags alone. Make sure the sentence itself carries the feeling too. Also, remember that less can sometimes be more. You do not need to tag every single sentence. In fact, overusing emotional tags can make the voice sound unnatural. Instead, place them only where the emotion should shift. Use them to emphasize key moments, pauses, or lines that need extra weight. If you're creating a dramatic scene, a memorial-style voice, a sad narration, or a heartfelt message, this technique can be extremely effective. It gives you more control over delivery, without needing to record your own voice. That makes ElevenLabs a powerful tool for creators who want emotional voiceovers quickly and easily. So to recap, open your ElevenLabs voice generator, type your script, and add bracketed emotional tags like or to shape the performance. Test different combinations, adjust the intensity, and listen carefully to the result until it feels right. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI voice tutorials, editing tips, and creator guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.